Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to count the number of characters, character frequency in a string. So given a string as input to your Python program, so your task is to count the occurrences of each and every character, the number of times. So and finally print it. So that is a problem statement. For example, if we take a, that is capital A is separate from the small a, so we have to count only capital A. So you can see capital A has occurred twice over here. So the capital A occurs two times. And if we see capital P, so this is the first time, this is the second time, and yeah, so capital P occurs twice. So that's how you have to try to print the, that is frequency of characters. So let us try to get started with the program. So let me take a variable that is a string and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a string. So this is in the quotes. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in this particular variable. So this is the input to the program, and the output to that is output will be a dictionary. So let us try to create a dictionary and try to fill the key value pair. So this is my frequency and this of type. Let's take a empty dictionary. Yeah, so this will be used to store the character and its frequency of a given present in the given string. So now this is the input and this is the output. So let us try to write a code in order to count the frequency. So for that, let's try to iterate all the letters present in the string. So for letter in string, so we are trying to iterate all the letters present in the string. So now what we have to do is we have to add or check if the letter is already present in the dictionary. So then we have to increment the value, that is the frequency. So let's use a if statement, that is if letter is already present in the frequency, that is dictionary, so you have to increment the value, that is frequency of this is a dictionary and key is the letter, and value will be incremented by 1. So suppose if the letter is a first time arrival and we have to assign the value as 1. So for that, let's use the else block, and if the letter has occurred the first time, so let's take the frequency of key, that is letter, and assign it with 1. So this means the count of the character is 1. Yeah, so once the for loop completes, so that means all the letters present in the string has been iterated and the key value pair has been framed. So once we are done, so let us try to print the dictionary. So for key comma value in frequency dot item, so we are trying to print the dictionary, that is by taking the key value pair, and let us try to print the key will be the character or the letter present in the string, and value will be the frequency of occurrences. So let us try to print, that is key occurs value times key occurs value times. Yeah, so this is how we try to print the, that is the count of the frequency of each character in the string. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program, and now let me try to execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so let me copy paste the same, copy and let's paste it. So you can see the this particular input string. So W occurs one time, R occurs 10 times, I occurs twice, and so on. So you can see the capital S occurs one time. Also, the round brace, that is the closing brace, occurs one time. The opening round brace occurs one time. Yeah. So now let me try to give some small string. So let's say small string. So you can see S occurs twice. That is first is this, second is this, and M occurs one time. Then L occurs twice. Yeah, and so on. So rest of the characters or the letters occur one time. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to count the number of characters, that is character frequency in a string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.